long lines to get into War Eagle Coliseum. Some of you camped out overnight to get into the stadium. You've got your triple header ticket. We've got 3 games ready to play on Saturday morning football right here at War Eagle Coliseum. We're going to get this ball game underway between the JV, 2 of the best JV Mighty Mite teams in the Suncoast Youth Football League. We welcome those who are listening at home and those on the White House Suncoast Youth Football package on Spike TV 47. This is the morning game, Saturday morning football here at War Eagle Coliseum. The visiting Pinellas Park T-Birds are ready to venture into the stadium and take on your JV Mighty Mite East Lake Eagles number 3 team.
I never do work.
I can do it, man. You can do it. I can do it. Never get a chance.
Please join me in the singing.